Hello and welcome to Penticton Toyota. Martin Longmore here with a walk-around video on a 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. This is a hybrid. It is a 326 horsepower vehicle. Fantastic, very well appointed. This one here comes stock with a lift on it, Oman Emu lift, which is fantastic. It has the rocker rails, it comes with the bronze rims. We did upgrade to Toyo Open Country AT3 all-terrain tires. It also comes with the roof rack along with the bed bar here and bed lighting systems as well. These tires do not come with it, but we can provide you with your tires if required. We have a 6-foot composite box. There's bed lighting in there, there's plugs in there, there's compressors in there. We'll get back to that in a second. Check out the interior. I absolutely love this. It is a two-tone, grey, black, and then with the gold or yellow piping on it as well. And obviously it has a Trailhunter on the doors. It has a 360-degree camera, JBL stereo system with that removable speaker up on the dash. It has the sunroof, digital display rear view mirror. It has the extra aux cords or aux switches, should I say here, if you did want to put winches or extra lights or whatever you need in there as well. It has every option. Rear diff lock on a 6-foot box, which is fantastic. It's just, they're unbelievable. They're absolutely beautiful vehicles. They're amazing to drive. The delivery of power in the hybrid and actually just in the gas Tacomas is wicked. It's absolutely amazing. So this is available. It's obviously on our showroom floor. Let us know if you have any questions about this or anything else. We'd love to help you out here at Penticton Toyota. Check us out, pentictontoyota.com, or call us at 250-493-1107.